once again, our lovely viewers, welcome to our channel, Health Varieties. As usual, today we have an epic reaction video for you again. As usual, safe, I'm with you, with my mommy sitting next to me. Charityparku, we have something special for you today, mommy. What do you have today?
So today, we are looking at Hilda Bassi, the only chef.
The only female chef in the West Africa who holds the Guinness record of the cookathon cooking competition that just ended recently.
Yeah.
She did something epic on
she prepared
TVC. Fisherman
a
soup.
special fisherman soup.
Yeah.
And flavored white rice.
Yes.
Cooking presentation on one of the Nigeria television TVCs.
Yeah.
Wake Up Nigeria.
Yeah, Wake Up Nigeria. And the recipe is crazy,
Yeah, that's what we are going to react.
So we have a lot to say on that, yeah.
So without anything,
yes. Watch the video.
This is a beautiful view. Yes, actually.
So I think I already highlighted that it's important to bleach the oil if you're trying to make this exact recipe. So we did that, we bleached the oil, and then the next thing was we blended the pepper mix, which was tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, and some satashi. And then we seasoned the pepper on ground. So the next thing I did was to put the pepper mix into the pot, fried it for a bit, and then I went in with the fish, the crabs, and the snails. So the prawns don't take that long to cook, which is why you don't have to put them in just immediately. So as I put everything in, because I have...
So, fisherman soup.
Wow,
have you ever tasted it?
According to the video I watched, I can say Nigerians are very good in recipes. Comparing their recipes to Ghanaians. No, it's too much. They have recipes. I've never seen a fisherman this thing before.
For me, I've ever seen it.
Okay, then tell me what you know about it.
Yeah, fisherman soup. This soup is from how the fishermen, when they go out to fish.
Okay.
No, normally, being a teenager, we were the sea villagers. When I say village,
those who live at the coastal areas, you grew up at the coastal area, then that's fine.
So those fishermen, they go to sea in the late evening or early dawn. Then they will come late evening or in the afternoon. So when they are at sea, won't they be hungry?
Yeah, they may.
Fine. So when they are going, they pack these things like pepper, onion, charcoal, and then whatever catch they have. They take this and prepare that fisherman soup. That was
on the sea, right?
Yes. They cook it there, and then usually it goes with curry.
Wow.
Yes, that was what I witnessed. And when they are coming back, if they are not able to finish eating, they bring out these things, and those at home will just come.
So that means you've had a taste of it. Okay, wow, that's fine.
It's even on my channel.
Oh, really?
Yes, village exploration. I remembered how my grandmother also used to prepare.
Oh, that's so beautiful, Yeah, I love the ingredients that they use for the
so the ingredients they use mainly, they are sea foods, like the crabs from the sea,
the prawns.
If you are living around the rivers, they also know that fisherman soup comes from those areas. So it's either the sea or the river.
That's fine.
So ingredients are, some even use snail. So Hilda Bassi, on the cooking presentation, she used crab.
And snail as well.
No, she used crab and then snail. Snail is not a sea fish.
Oh, I don't see anything bad with that,
So I love the fact that she said you can use any type of fish. And that is very, very good, because when we say fisherman fish, it's not only about one fish. They use different kinds of food. So
and the ingredients that she used, the fresh thyme, the garlic.
So I told you why they called it fisherman soup.
That means when they go on sea to fish, when they feel hungry, they make meals out of
from
the little catches they get. So they carry all those ingredients along and prepare them on the sea. So when there's a remaining some, they bring it home for you people to enjoy.
So the soup is a delicacy invented by this fisherman. And then it's popular among the Nigerians.
Very, very.
Those who
according
live
to what I saw
around the river community.
Sure.
Like River State or Cross River and Bayelsa.
Oh, okay.
I think so.
Okay.
Now, when they are cooking this meal, do you know the ingredient they use? The fishermen. Some they use tomatoes to prepare it, but some, what I've seen, they don't use tomatoes.
They use raw pepper, right?
Yes, but it's not compulsory. You can choose to use it. Some also, when they are preparing it,
I'm sure because of the fishy smell, that's when they use those small peppers, right?
Yeah,
because you know the sea is full of
So some use okras, others do not. Some also use thickening agents.
Okay.
Like pounded yam.
Okay.
But others do not use it. So apart from the fresh fish, they don't normally use any other.
I love the fact that she used this in palm oil. Yeah, palm oil for the soup too.
And have you heard about bleaching oil? Because
bleaching of
Basi bleached the
You know,
oil.
when I first heard it, I thought of humans bleaching their skin. Yeah. So I realized, you know, but bleaching of oil, is it all that healthy? What do you say?
My research, when I research about it, the research shows that it is totally unhealthy.
Me too.
Why? Because when you heat the palm oil above the smoke point,
it increases the fatty levels of it.
It increases the trans fat levels, and then thereby making it carcinogenic.
That means the potential of causing cancer.
So that's all about bleaching this thing. So I was surprised she said she was doing it at the smoke.
Maybe she may not bleach it up to the smoke level.
And we didn't see, you know, those who were the hosts, they did not allow us to see what actually she was.
But bleaching of oil is totally unhealthy, you know. It's carcinogenic. It has the potential of causing cancer, so we have to reduce that too. That's fine.
So I was very, very happy when she brought about this, and I said, Ghana. Maybe those living around Cape Coast in Ghana, those living
Elmina,
around the coastal
Takrady,
areas,
and those,
yes, I think they are also into it. But it is not something that you can find people preparing in every home.
Yeah, sure.
Now we have recreated that, and we call it lamu mudechi in Ewe, like fresh fish soup.
Or sea soup, seafood soup.
We have recreated it, and that's what you mostly see.
But
the fishermen, they do not use oil in Ghana. What I've seen, they don't use it. But Hilda prepared it so sumptuous, and I love the fact that
I love the fact that she added this thing, rice, the rice
the
aspect of
rice,
it. The coconut milk that they added is what I'm really interested
so
in.
So that make it flavored, and then she used some herbs, so she named it flavored herb white rice.
You know, it gives the rice an extra boost of aroma and taste, which I think
you like tasty things.
Oh, who don't like tasty things? We all like tasty things, right?
So when you were watching the video, were you salivating?
Everybody will swallow saliva, you know. I have to, it's a normal thing, It's as usual.
So Hilda did well, and I love the fact that she prepared something that is not common.
You know, coconut oil, according to my research, it has so many health benefits as well. You know, it's lactose free, and you know, it may reduce this thing, stomach ulcer. You know, that's also a plus, and and cardiovascular health issues too. It helps in that. So I think it's fine she used the coconut milk, and you know, we can also try that and see how good it helps us. You know, as we are promoting good health and good living. So it's fine.
Then there's something I also noticed. I don't know if you've seen
what was that?
When she was doing that, is it marathon or cook-thon? How do you call
the cook-a-thon.
The cook-a-thon. You know, I can't speak good English. I saw her with these long nails. But when she was doing that, for the Guinness, she was in short nails.
That was the cook-a-thon, right?
Yeah.
She was in short nails. You know, you have to think twice, you know.
But
health-wise,
the nails were long, and I said, hey, does she cook with long nails like that?
Maybe this one, she had help from the host, so it's quite meaningful, But, you know, the Guinness one, you know, she was all alone. And, you know, she did so great. She made Africa proud and West Africa proud, Nigerians, Ghanaians proud.
And I like the fact that the Nigerians, they are support system.
Very supportive. They are so very supportive.
Support system was
very
massive.
support system. Yeah, I love the way, you know, they were supporting him both physically,
Him or
spiritually,
her.
emotionally, and psychologically. They did great, and that's very fine.
All right.
Yeah.
So that's all we have for you viewers. Yes. So if you don't know Fisherman Soup, just visit Hilda Bassi's channel.
Yeah.
And also Wake Up Nigeria TVC.
Yeah, you keep watching that. Yeah, it's
you can
fun.
go and watch that. And then I think some other Nigerians also prepare that Fisherman Soup.
Yeah, it's their recipe. Yeah, it's a
so
recipe in
Nigerians,
Nigeria. So
kudos to you. Yes.
Yeah.
For me, my view is that, or my opinion is that Nigerians, when it comes to cooking, they do great.
They are doing great.
They are doing.
You know, they are our brothers or sisters, if I may say. You know?
Yeah. So no one should come for us. So we are just having fun here.
Just having fun.
That,
that's all.
hey, why are you saying Ghanaians cannot prepare? We are not saying that. You know, there are many than us. So as long as they are more than, their population is greater things will surely come from
Definitely. There's no challenge on that.
Yeah. So viewers, let's see or hear your take from all the things we have discussed. We have said about the healthy aspect of whatever Hilda Bassi did.
Auntie Hilda, thank you so much.
Yes, so Hilda Bassi, kudos to you. We hope to see more of your recipes. Yes. So that we can also learn from you.
Yeah.
So until we see you, please stay strong,
exercise,
stay healthy,
drink a lot of water,
eat more fruits and veggies, and then we will see you later.
Bye.
Bye.